Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best optical rotary encoder reviews. The E6B2CWZ6C optical rotary encoder is a high-precision industrial sensor designed for motion detection and position control. Available in multiple resolutions from 20p R2 to 500p R, it supports 5 to 24 volts wide voltage input. Compact, reliable, and durable, it ensures accurate speed and angle measurement for automation systems.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.